How to fix Duolingo speech recognition not working. First, check your microphone permission. On Android, open Settings, go to Apps, select Duolingo, tap Permissions, then make sure microphone is set to Allow. On iPhone, open Settings, scroll down to Duolingo, and make sure microphone access is enabled. Now, make sure you're using a stable internet connection. Duolingo's speech exercises may not work correctly if your connection is weak or keeps disconnecting. Also, check the App Store for a Duolingo update. An outdated version can cause microphone or speech recognition problems. If you're using Bluetooth headphones, disconnect them and try your phone's built-in microphone. You can also restart Duolingo and your device. Finally, if speech recognition still isn't working, try clearing Duolingo's cache on Android, reinstalling the app, or contacting Duolingo support. And that's how to fix Duolingo speech recognition not working. For more Duolingo and app troubleshooting tutorials, like this video and subscribe for more.